Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Vscode and Python are installed and the interpreter is selected. This is why breakpoints will map correctly. Once done, install the Python extension and Debugger so Vscode can control execution. Next, open your project folder and initialize a launch. JSON using the run view, choose Python, current file, or a Flask/Django option. This immediate setup prevents path mismatches later and ensures the debugger can find your source and virtual env libraries. Now place breakpoints where you need to inspect state. You can right-click for conditionals or log points to avoid pauses. Then refine launch. JSON, set the program path, args, CWD, and environment variables so the process runs like production. Toggle just my code when you want to step into library code. Choose the console type depending on input needs, and if debugging a running process, use attach mode with the proper port. This gives control over remote or background Python processes. Run the debugger and use the variables pane, watches, and the call stack to inspect program state. You'll also execute expressions in the debug console. Step controls let you step over functions, step into them, or step out to follow flow precisely. When finished, restart or stop the session. If breakpoints are ignored, make sure the selected interpreter matches your environment, the workspace folder contains the source, and Debugger is installed and up to date. Fixing those typically resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.